We'll guide you through how to make a collage on an Instagram story. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. A collage is a great way of putting photos together. Perhaps it was a special event or it was your birthday, and so you've got a few and you want to make a cool way of presenting them. So to get started with this, there are different ways as well, so make sure it's full guide and you can decide what's going to work best for you and look best. So come to the bottom right of Instagram and press your profile icon. Next, you need to go to the top left and you'll go and find the plus, which you can tap on, and you'll open up this create list and you want to go and find the option for story like so. Now, if you go and scroll to the top, the first way of making a collage is by pressing collage in the top right here. Now you can select up to 20. So I'm going to go and start selecting just a few to go and give you an idea. I'll probably aim for 5, let's say. So I'll then go and have 5 selected and we can press the arrow in the bottom right. So for the first option, we've got cutouts. This can be a really cool way. As you can see, it sort of cuts them out. Alternatively, if you go to the bottom and you go to the left, you go and see the other option, which you can tap on, and then they'll just be sequential. So this is a cool way. It's a bit of a montage as well, I guess you could call it. Then you can press done and you can go and add text, music, and go and post it. Alternatively though, what I prefer to do is you need to come back to the add to story page. Then you can go and press the camera icon to the left and this will go and open up. I'll press cancel here, and then what you need to do is go over to the left and find the camera button. So this is my preferred way of making a collage. In my opinion, it's a bit more of the traditional collage way. So what you can do is go and press that, it will open up. You need to go over to the left and press the line going down. And you'll then find the option for layout, like so. I sort of would call this a collage as well though. And then you can press change grid, and you can go and see the different collage effects you can have. So I like this one here, basically the fourth option. So you can now go and start taking photos right now on Instagram, but you can also go and open up your gallery or camera roll in the bottom left and then choose the photo you want to use. I could use this one, then I'll press it again and I could use this one, and I'll press it again and I'll use this one. Then you can press the tick in the middle at the bottom. And then you can add text, add stickers and music to the right and add different things as well. And then when you're ready, you can go and press your story in the bottom left and we've now gone and posted it. So some different ways you can go and make a collage.